Mr. Boo Boo. Ooh. You're playing with your... looks different. Maybe because it's upside down. Did you move this upside down, Mr. Boo Boo? Ooh, you got the remote controls? Hmm? Yeah, here. There we go. Ooh, you got a scratchy cheek, little Boo Boo? Here, I'll help you. I got it. I get it. There we go. Ooh, yeah. Is that good? Is that better? Yeah? I think so. Yeah. Oh, look at this. We got the yellow poofa. See? Look. Look. Oh, he don't care. Got hair all over the phone. Oh, no. You tired? Hey, Mr. Boo Boo. Oh, you like playing with your first crinkle ball? This is the first one you ever had, huh? Hello, mister. Yeah, who was that? Who was that? I think that was your mama going up the steps. Oh. Whoa. Oh, my goodness. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you listen to what she doing up there? Huh? Want me to read you another bedtime story? Hmm? No? Oh. Hi, Mr. Boo Boo. Do you want to go play downstairs? No? Okay, let's see if he'll follow me. Oh, I think he will. I think he will. Oh, well, hello. You want to go in the basement? Wow. Okay. Well, I guess we're already in one of the basements, huh? Yes. Oh. You want to play with this thing? Yeah. It's like a finger trap, remember? Yeah. Oh, it's catnip. We need a catnip toy. Where's the nearest catnip toy down here? Do we even have one down here, mister? We have some downstairs. Want me to bring it? Come on. Get it. I'll go get it. Probably follow, though. And no, I'm not naked. I do have some pants on. Yeah. Oh, we gotta get some more downstairs food, don't we, little boo-boo? Yeah? Okay, I'll go get some. Cinnabon's spoiled. He gets food and water downstairs and upstairs. Okay, well, just refilling it, little boo-boo. See? Look at that. More food for the baby. He's funny. He shakes his head. Looks like the baby's still eating. Oh, and he's done now. Ooh. What kind of toys can we play with down here, Mr. Boo Boo? Okay. Where's your catnip banana thing? The rainbow. Where's your rainbow toy? Didn't you have a rainbow catnip? Oh, I see it. I see it. Ooh, look at here. Come here, little Boo Boo. Look. You want it? No? Maybe he doesn't want to play. Cinnabon. Look at this. Oh, oh. Oh, we got ants down here. Oh no. Gonna have to bust out the ant traps again, I guess. Yeah, nasty creatures. We'll have to go to Meyer and get those ant traps. They're kitty safe. Don't we worry. They're kitty safe. Pet safe. I think. Well, actually, I got them at Target. I think. Look, you can just see the. Oh my goodness, there's so many of them. Oh boy. Yeah, Daddy's gonna have to give him a little trap. We had the same problem last year. He seemed to really like this particular spot. Yeah. He sees them too. He looks at them. A little ant problem, huh, little boo-boo? Yeah, I don't like that. We'll get rid of those, though. They won't last for long, will they, little boo-boo? Nope, not with those ant traps. We'll get as many as I can with a napkin first. There we go. We got a lot of them, didn't we, little boo-boo? We'll have to get some ant traps at the store, huh? Usually put one over there and one sort of under the steps. Cinnabon don't bother with them. No. Then before you know it, they're all gone. Yeah. Because they think, oh, this is some good stuff. And they bring it to their friends and like, oh, this is some good stuff. And before you know it, they're gone. Oh. You're going for it. Oh. That's me. Psst. Oh, she too tired to play, little boo-boo, too tired to play. Wow. Oh, not anymore. Oh, a ladybug carcass. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Wow. Daddy's got to watch his hands. Gonna lose him to a kitty cat. Oh, well, hello, Mr. Baby. Yeah. Wow. Try to get this Catnip activated. Oh, here you go. Oh. Good baby. What a good little baby. Oh. What you doing, mister? You just gonna chill under your chair? Yeah? Okay. You can chill there if you want to. Oh, there's some hair on it. Gross. Oh, okay. You can have it. Peekaboo. I see you. I always go for his catnip toy. Yeah. Whoa. There we go. Tear it up. Whoa, those bite marks, my goodness. Crazy bite marks in that toy, huh? What you looking at? Whoa. Yikes. Oh my goodness. He's got like 2 toys in his grasp right there. Oh, Admiral, and you hear your mommy upstairs, little boo-boo? What's she doing up there? What's she doing up there? What's that? You hear that? Oh, she going outside? Oh no. Yeah, he's like, how dare she open the door? Aw. He's so attentive to everything. Yes, you'd like to know what's going on, huh? You're like a doggy. You're like a doggy. If somebody knocked on the door, he'd be freaking out. Yeah. Anywho, thank you all so much for watching. We'll talk to you later. Be safe out there. Bye-bye. Cinnabon, you want to say bye-bye? No?